Nanobubble technology revolution in India. Union Minister of State for Forest, Environment and Climate Change launched nanobubble technology for cleaning and purifying water of National Zoological Park, Delhi. About the nanobubble technology, they are 70 to 120 nanometer in size, 2500 times smaller than a single grain of salt. They can be formed using any gas and injected into any liquid. Large bubble rise to the surface and burst. Nanobubbles are stable, neutrally buoyant, remain suspended and disperse in water. Nanobubbles have a strong negative surface charge that prevents them from coalescing from collapsing, and it also enables them to physically separate small particles and droplets like emulsified fats, oils, and grease from water. These bubbles interact with pollutants, for example, algae, algae, organic waste, oil, grease to break them down. Hydrophobic nature of nanobubbles combined with their surface charge enable lifting organic and inorganic materials off surfaces similar to surfactant. Unlike regular bubbles that rise and pop, nanobubbles remain suspended in water for extended periods. Properties of nanobubble: size less than 200 nanometer in diameter, invisible to the naked eye. Brownian motion: nanobubbles remain suspended in water, ensuring uniform oxygen distribution and maintaining dissolved oxygen levels. Surface charge: nanobubbles have a strong surface charge. This negative charge improves separation efficiency in the floating process. Nanobubbles exhibit unique properties like stability, surface charge, and neutral buoyancy, which improve numerous physical, chemical, and biological processes. Hydrophobic nature repels water, helping lift organic/inorganic materials from the surfaces, similar to surfactants. High oxygen transfer efficiency: nanobubble can efficiently deliver oxygen into water due to very large surface area and rare Brownian motion. Oxygen transfer efficiency with nanobubbles is reached to around 90%. Large surface area. Nanobubbles have a high surface area to volume ratio, allowing for a greater amount of gas to be in contact with water. Advantage: energy efficient, reduces operational costs, chemical free, environmentally friendly, and safe for aquatic life. Versatile application can be applied in various water bodies, lakes, ponds, aquariums, and wastewater treatment plants. Negative zeta potential in water: following Brownian movement, electrostatic repulsion, coal skin, small size, high stability, hydrophobicity, oxidation potential, high gas transfer efficiency, small size and high concentration, 10 के power 6 to 10 के power 8 NV per ml, to large interfacial area to high transfer efficiency. Radial generation: act as a carrier for pollutant attached to surface, transfer from in suspension. Bulk nanobubbles to nano surface nanobubbles. Enhance cation adsorption, enhance gas bridging. OH minus plus, OH minus plus, enhance stability. O3, O2, AS, CO2, and 2S2, enhance ROS formation. Enhance mass transfer nanobubbles. Application of nanobubbles technology, water purification, agriculture enhance oxygenation of irrigation water, aquaculture, health care, food industry, industrial cleaning, improved skin and hair health, enhance oil and gas recovery, etc. Medicinal applications, research on using nanobubbles for drug delivery, medicinal imaging, and potential cancer treatment. Hydroxyl radial, high mobility, ammonia, nitrogen inhibition, acid inhibition, salt inhibition, enrich microbial, enhance electron transport, promote enzyme activity, improving mass transfer efficiency, enhancing microbial activity, application of NV technology in AD, alleviating environmental inhibition, NB nanobubble, NBW nanobubble water, NADH nic- nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, hydroxyl radial H2O VFA volatile fatty acid, negative charge on NV surface. These are application of nanobubble technology.